Haukiba April ki tang taramapanda tabletop exercise pangthok tuna earthquake disaster ki matangda khananai na khraba matuk da ngasi state level mock exercise on earthquake disaster ngasi hapta kangjibungda pangthokre mock exercise sing ngasi tongan mafam sing Jenims DC Imphal is amadi West Sipet Kusum oil pump konung mamang NRL oil pump report na chingba mafam sing da pangthoke mock exercise asigi matangda National Disaster Management Authority ki members oiriba Lieutenant General Said Ata Hasnan retired na Manipur da sigumba mock exercise asi pangthok libagi maramdi Manipur asi disaster yamna thokpa mafam ni ising ichaw yuhana chingba sing amadi tongan ba mausagi oiba amang ata thok mafam ni chahi ani rom COVID-19 na maram oiraga exercise asi lab lure dubo hojikti fibam khara farak labani na hojik miyam da disaster sing si tholakpada karamna kangani haiba jugi matang da training piduna amadi miyam da khangan bani haiki.
Manipur is a disaster prone state, zone 5 of earthquake disaster particularly, and there's other disasters like flooding or forest fires and things like that. For 2 years, because of the pandemic, because of coronavirus, there have been no exercises on ground and a lot of appointments have changed hands out here. So it is our responsibility to ensure that people are trained, they are aware of their responsibilities for the conduct of relief in case and preparedness in the case of disasters. So that is the whole purpose here, and I'm very happy that we have got the full cooperation of the local state disaster management authority.